Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? I have a cold steel dagger for you today on the woodpile in the early morning. This is the cold steel Rondel Dagger. Alright, so you see the sheath. It's leather and steel, blued steel. Alright, so that's the sheath. So this has a rosewood handle which is studded, has a disc guard and pommel that's historically accurate. It has a triangular cross section and these sides are hollow ground. According to cold steel, this design is made to puncture male heavy clothing or to go in between the joints or openings in plate armor. Alright, so back in the day. This is well done. Cold steel's quality, you know, people have been alarmed lately because of GSM, but as far as I know, their Indian-made stuff is still fine. Right? So made in India. I have plenty of Indian cold steel and some windlass steel crafts as well. Now YouTube, before we go further, if you like seeing evil blades like this and you believe in crazy ideas like freedom, self-defense, radical ideas like that, be sure to leave a comment. Light up that algorithm for me because it really helps to circulate the videos and I really appreciate it. Brand cold steel Rondel Dagger, 11.5 inch blade, triangular cross section. It is blued rosewood. It was $132. Now this is one of those items from cold steel that I've known about for years and I always wanted one, but you know, it is pricey for something that is mainly a collectible. This is very large if you were to try to carry it, right? Inconvenient to carry and conceal in the civilian world. Now I guess there is some sort of home defense value to this, but most of my subscribers already have countless other options for the home defense. So yeah, this, a collectible item of historical interest, at least until Mad Max times come around. Because I don't have a necessarily practical use for it, it took me years to cough up the money for this, but if I want something, I will eventually acquire it. This would be formidable, definitely. Right, still relevant today, right? In certain bad situations. I've definitely seen like World War I trench type items that, you know, they weren't exactly a historical rondel, but similar type of idea with piercing blades like that. Right, now this is not sharpened. It's not meant to be sharp, right? Because you see how broad that is. It really wouldn't make that much sense. With the dish guard, yeah, it also gives extra leverage in the thrust. Yeah, this thing's all business, man. This thing is all business. I like it. I like the intention, right? That's what scares people, because the fact that someone made this with one purpose in mind and it was not bushcraft. I feel I got my money's worth. They do sell this on Amazon and, you know, I could return it if I didn't like it. So no risk there, but I'm going to keep it because, well, it's a good addition to the collection. Hope you enjoyed seeing it. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.